हेलो, नमस्ते। पूछो सर आप।
सो फाइनली अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं माथेरान। यू कैन सी दी माथेरान रेलवे ट्रैक ओवर। यहाँ इतना नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा पास और ले जाना पड़ेगा। यस, ये माथेरान रेलवे ट्रैक है टॉय ट्रेन का। एंड ये सामने अमन लॉज स्टेशन की तरफ है। नाउ अब हम निखिल से पूछते हैं ये ट्रैक 11 किलोमीटर लंबा ट्रैक चल के कैसा फील हो रहा है।
एक्चुअली मेरा फर्स्ट ट्रैक था इतना लंबा। बेसिकली हम लोग 2-3 घंटे में हमेशा पहुंच जाते हैं। ये इजी ट्रैक बोल के मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है। बट अल्टीमेटली मज़ा आ गया। वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट। और हमने 6 फीट बिग पाइथन देखा जो आज तक के ट्रैक में कभी देखा नहीं था। सो फाइनली सफ़र पूरा हुआ एंड ज़्यादा मज़ा आया।
यस यस यस। Hello.
हेलो।
So today we are going to explore Matheran via Garbet Plateau, and right now we are at Bhivpuri station. We parked our bike over here in the Pain Park. So now the plan is that we'll start our journey from Bhivpuri. We'll climb up to Garbet Plateau. We'll go to Matheran. Tonight we are going to stay at Matheran, and then tomorrow morning we'll come down again via Garbet Plateau. We'll take our bike and then we'll go home. Yes. So today Nikhil is there with me, Salman, and now let's begin our adventure for Garbet Plateau.
Adventure with adventure lovers.
Yeah. Let's start. So यहाँ से we are walking towards the Bhivpuri dam, and right now we are at the outskirts of Bhivpuri village. We can call it at the border of Bhivpuri village, right at the corner, exactly at the corner of Bhivpuri village. So this is the village from where we came. We came from this route, and now we'll be going towards this side. From here onwards our actually uphill climbing will start, and once we'll cross this hill, then we'll go to Bhivpuri Dam, and from there we'll be able to see Garbet Plateau, and then there we will climb Garbet Plateau. So निखिल कैसा लग रहा है?
अभी तो शुरुआत है।
Yes.
ऊपर चलते चलते पता चलेगा।
हाँ। Bhivpuri, that side, and that all these buildings are Bhivpuri, and this side goes towards Karjat, and this side goes towards Neral. Amazing, beautiful. This is also an ultimate place for camping, very peaceful, beautiful and quiet, and it's a quite isolated place also. That mountain what we see is the Matheran mountain, where we have to go. मस्त है ना लोकेशन ये।
कैंपिंग करने कितना मजा आएगा।
हाँ, ये नीचे से अभी रास्ता किया लगता है। वो लोग भी अभी उधर ही ऊपर ही आए।
उन्होंने पूरा वहीं से गए।
हाँ, ये नीचे से गए ना वो लोग। That is the Garbet Plateau, and over there on top is entirely Matharan mountain. So we'll be going from here this side, then we'll climb up over there, we'll walk on the plateau, then we'll go over there on top. That is the Garbit point, the top point of Matharan, and from there we'll go inside the Matharan market. It's an amazing view, lovely. बट जिस हिसाब से ये रास्ता है दिख रहा है यहाँ पे इतने रैपर प्लास्टिक वास्टिक इतना नहीं दिख रहा है कंपैरेटिवली, बट है वैसे ये लोकेशन तो वैसे काफ़ी पॉपुलर है, लोग काफ़ी आते हैं इधर, मानसून में ज़्यादातर आते हैं. एंड वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी एट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 4:34 फ्रॉम Bhivpuri station, and right now it's exactly 5 o'clock and we walked for 1.80 kilometers in 38 minutes. We just took some breaks in mid for some photos. As you can see, this location is so lovely, so we couldn't resist to take some few clicks. We might reach up in 2 hours. Let's see. We'll try our best to try to reach till Garbit Plateau in daylight only. So maybe we can get a beautiful view of a sunset from there. Let's see. इसमें लास्ट में वो गार्बिट प्लेटो के लिए चढ़ते हैं ना, वहाँ थोड़ा वर्टिकल क्लाइंब है, बाकी ये जो है ना ये ऐसे ही है पूरा चलना. सो एकदम स्टिफ वर्टिकल चलना नहीं है यहाँ पे. इट्स अ ग्रेजुअल इंक्रीज एंड यू गो zigzag. We've completed 2 kilometers now. We went till there and then we realized that we've lost our way, and I also forgot our route. And while going over there we saw 3 villages going in this direction, and right now we saw one more villager over there going in this direction. So अब हम यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं ऊपर चेक करने के लिए कि वेदर ये सही रास्ता है कि नहीं, अदरवाइज हमें शायद तक वहाँ से वापस कुछ रास्ता एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा.
पहुँचेंगे ज़रूर.
हाँ पहुँच के तो ज़रूर रहेंगे हम. सो लेट्स सी. अभी वैसे ओनली कंसर्न ये है कि हमें सनसेट से पहले ऊपर पहुँचना है. अगर सनसेट से पहले ऊपर नहीं पहुँचे तो हमें अच्छी व्यू ऊपर कैप्चर करने नहीं मिलेगी. बट ना अभी चैलेंज ये है कि हमें रास्ता ढूंढना है, एंड ये पूरे एरिया में अभी फ़िलहाल कोई है नहीं जो हमें गाइड करे. सो नाउ सिंस कैन सी वन विलेजर वॉकिंग ओवर देयर, सो वी आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग हिज फुटस्टेप. सो एटलीस्ट we'll reach somewhere. Then यहाँ पे ओनली प्लस पॉइंट क्या है कि there are few of the villages on the mountain, on the hills, so you will not get lost anywhere, and आप कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई विलेज के पास तो पहुंच ही जाओगे. सो कोई ना कोई आपको गाइड करने मिल ही जाएगा. अभी फ़िलहाल यहाँ हमारे नसीब अच्छे है कि यहाँ except for few cows which are grazing. There is no one over here to help us in guiding the route. So down we went till there, and then we realized that we lost the way. Then from down we came here, then from here we came over here on top, and luckily we found this villager walking, and he said yeah, the route is from here. इथूनच रस्ता आहे ना काका? रस्ता गारबीटला जायला रस्ता कुठून आहे? इथून आहे ना?
असं आहे
हम्म.
ते झाड दिसलं ना
हम्म.
वरती,
हां
तिच्यावरती चढायला लागतो
ते वरती. हां तिथून वरती माहिती आहे रस्ता मला, वरती माहिती आहे.
सीधा
हां सरळ ते वरती गारबीट पॉईंट आहे ना ते.
गारबट पॉइंट आहे ना,
हम्म.
हा सीधा
हां
त्या त्याने जायचं.
हां. आणि तुम्ही का ते मध्ये गाव आहे तिथे राहता काय?
हा
तुम्ही तिथे राहता मध्ये गावात ना?
हा
हां. जेव्हा तुम्ही पुढे चालला
ढोरं आहेत ना.
तसं आहे. हां तुम्ही पुढे चाला आरामात.
हा.
माझा मित्र येतो, मी त्याला घेऊन येतो. लकीली ॲज यू सी, यू कॅन सी इन दिस एंटायर एरिया there is no one except for this one noble man whom the God has sent only to show us the path. And here Nikhil coming. वो नीचे वाला रास्ता भी बोलता है कि वहाँ से भी जाता है वो, पर वो बोलता है वो लंबा गिरेगा. वो लोग जो दिखे ना अपने को सामने, we saw three persons climbing on the other side. So and this villager is saying that path also goes towards Garbet. Actually all the routes over here goes towards Garbet only because there's a village over here on top. Yeah, nice. आता सरळ जायचं. So this tree is a spot, or maybe we can call it a landmark. I know this place very well because most of the time when we are coming and we in all my past treks over here, I've taken a rest stop over here because this is the only tree, a huge tree on this mountain where you get a very nice shade when you are coming in the daytime, also when there is a sun. So while coming from the other route, I saw this tree and then I remembered the path. And now since though we lost our path and everything, still we are running on time. And like in right now we walk for 4.17 kilometers in 1 hour 22 minutes, which is a very good speed. That guy sitting over there, he helped us in showing the path. He is the villager who stays over there on top. There's a village over here in between. So down here, from here we have to go straight. बस ये बीच का एक पार्ट थोड़ा वर्टिकल क्लाइंब है, वो क्लाइंब कर दिया तो ट्रैक ख़त्म. फिर तो गारबेट प्लेटू सीधा चलना है, फिर वहाँ थोड़ा ऊपर चढ़ना है माथेरान को जाने के लिए. फिर हाँ वो ऊपर का ऐसा स्लोप दिख रहा है ना, तो उसमें दो है, या तो बीच में से सीधा ऊपर अपना गारबेट पॉइंट के वहाँ जाता है रेलिंग के वहाँ, या तो नीचे से साइड से ना लेफ़्ट साइड से विलेज से जाता है गारबेट विलेज के वहाँ से.
तो हम कौन सा चूज़ करेंगे?
लाइट के ऊपर डिपेंड है. लाइट रहा तो बीच में से ही जाएंगे सीधा. वो थोड़ा वर्टिकल क्लाइंब है, ऐसा पत्थर वत्थर के वो से, बड़ा अच्छा है. ये देखो इधर बाइक भी है. ऐसे ट्रैक पे कैसा फील होगा कि इतना रास्ता भटक के चल फिर के आए और इधर घर के सामने बाइक दिख रहा है.
Let's go and get a bike.
हाँ वही. Here we have reached the Sagachi Wadi village. There's a school over here. This the village is over here on this side. We can hear the sound of kids playing. This village is also at an altitude of, यार मेरी वॉच में एल्टीट्यूड दिखाई नहीं रहा अभी. So we walk for 4.97 km in 1 hour 38 minutes, which is really a good speed since we just 2 are there. So that's why we came so fast, and let's hope before it gets completely dark we should reach near the Garbit Plateau. सागाची वाडी आहे. So here there's a shop over here at Sagachi Wadi, and cheers.
Cheers.
Last time also when I came over here, we'd taken a break. So this time also we thought let's take a break over here only.
This is our, what do you call, permanent halting spot.
Yes, a permanent pit stop. The climate is really amazing over here. The village is also so beautiful, like it's since it's on a hilltop. It's an amazing village. There's a motorable road also for this village that we don't know. We'll ask the villager. So maybe next time we can directly come over here on top on bike or a car. Maybe we have to just check whether car can come over also over here or not. You can see there's a truck, car, tempo, everything over here. We struggled so much to come to this village via the mountain route, and there are vehicles parked over here. But it's nice. The location is really beautiful. This village is amazing village. Like it's a very beautiful spot for an overnight camp also. We can come over here, we can stay at any of the villagers' place, and we can enjoy the delicious homemade village food. Now we are walking toward there on top, toward the Garbit Plateau from Sagachi Wadi. Sagachi Wadi, no? From Sagachi Wadi. Yes, this village name is Sagachi Wadi. Down there, what you see, the house, that is the Sagachi Wadi, where we took our last break, and we started our journey from there. And now we've actually started climbing vertically. It's good actually, since now it is like almost, it's 6:30 now, and it is about to get dark. So our plan is to reach at least till Garbit Plateau before it gets completely dark, because from there then there's not much of a climb. So, and we can easily go. Also, as such, we don't have any problem of dark because we have torch, we have carried enough of lights, so we don't have to worry to walk in dark. But yeah, I will not be able to capture a good video, so that's why we are targeting that. Let's try to reach on top before it gets completely dark. See, that's the Bhivpuri Dam, from where we started. On the right hand side we started our journey.
You can see it's a bit foggy now.
Yeah, beautiful. क्या मस्त क्लाइंब है ना अभी ऊपर सीधा. We are going at a good speed, and we are almost halfway till Garbit Plateau, and we started from there down. Now let's hope maybe in another half an hour we should reach over there on top. Yes,
Let's go.
हाँ.
Come on.
चलो. Yes, you can see now it's getting darker, and yes, so we have walked for 2 hours 31 minutes and we've total walked for 6.28 kilometers, and it's right now 6:53 and we are yet to reach the Garbet Plateau. The line which you see, that is the Garbet Plateau top. So let's rush and try to reach the plateau at least in this light before it gets pitch dark. We have other 2 team members also joining us directly at Matheran. They've got late or from their home, so then we've decided to meet them directly on top, and we've told them to come to Matheran via the regular route. So we'll meet them over there on top. Let's go. Now, after a very nice break at Garbet Plateau, we walked for 6.90 kilometers to reach till Garbet Plateau in 3 hours 34 minutes. But actually we took for more than half an hour break at Garbet Plateau right now, and you can see Nikhil in light, and here is myself. So now and this side downstairs, no, we can't see the lights, but we can see all the city lights over here down. So now let's head towards Matheran via the Garbet village. Let's start our journey. Let's go. Let's walk. There's a python over here just passing by. Yes, in the phone camera I can see. Here you can see the python which is going inside. And Matheran is very famous for this thing, and ultimate. This is the greatest moment of my life, where I have seen a python like this, a live python in front of me. I was just about to put my leg onto it, but suddenly because of my headlamp I just saw it and I I stopped and I went behind, and it's amazing. Now let me put the light in front so that I can see the other yeah things also properly. Ultimate. ये देखो, ये रास्ता जो है ना वो वहाँ उसके लिए जाता है. So up now finally we are waiting for our two more team members, and they are going to meet us. We've told them to walk towards us. So now we'll go and enjoy the Matheran market. See you guys on our next adventure. Bye.
Bye.